This 57-minute digital download called The Meal and Ale at East Letter Fairm tells the story of the hearst of the 1940s being finished. With the leaves turning and the geese migrating and the nowt moving to another park, winter will soon be here. But afore the winter starts, there will be a nicht to mind about at East Letter Fairm. Jimmy, the farmer at East Letter, is hosting the Meal and Ale this year in his barn. See him inviting the neighbours to his soiree. All the women that get an invitation will bring some fine things to eat to the Meal and Ale. Peggy is the best meal and ale drink maker in the district, so she gets an invite in a. It is this drink that Abby will speak about and enjoy. See Abby arriving in different transport as it would have been in the 1930s and 40s. Jock and Fred the musicians are walking to the Meal and Ale. Their talents are vital for a successful nicht. The first entertainer of the evening is Tom, singing the popular bothy ballad The Pair of Nicky Toms. He's learned it off the gramophone record he bought some weeks ago. He's dressed in his best working clothes for the nicht. The entertainment continues with Fred on the melodeon, Anne singing, and Jock playing the fiddle. Entertainment in rural areas was provided by local folk, and many households made their own entertainment afore electricity came. The barn would be decorated and Mary and Jimmy would taste and then gie out the meal and ale. All the folk that come to the meal and ale, including the bairns, would tak their own bowl and spoon to sup the meal and ale drink. With the fine entertainment of the first half of the nicht and the meal and ale gien out, it's time for the dancing. The ever-popular Eightsome reels and the all-time waltzes were danced in the barn floor. It was at these social events that traditions were passed down from a generation to the next, and future relationships would develop between the younger folk. Anne and Tom entertain the appreciative audience who have looked forward to this evening for a long time. All the entertainers would have worked in local firms. Their services were in constant demand. The evening is finished off with a fly cup and ham bacon. This is a fine chance to news to all your neighbours. The evening comes to an end with a long sign. Jimmy leaves the barn in darkness and heads back to the house, kenning that Abby enjoyed his meal and ale at East Letter Fairm.